The Irish Song and Recitation Festival, home of songs, sayings, and poetical proverbs. You are at the Irish Roots Cafe, and I am Mick the Bridge, your host. Oro Sheda Vahawala. We invite you in to share with us today. How can you accomplish that goal? The rules are simple, just listen in. One, pick your favorite old song or recitation. 2, call me at 816-256-3360. Speak or sing it clearly right into my phone recorder. And tell us anything about it or about you that might be of interest. It's just that easy. Oh yes, and if you're shy, you can use a stage name. And yes, all entries can be played on the air here, and we retain the full right to do so. No, you'll not make any money for your troubles. It's all for free, and it's all for fun. Reach me anytime at www.irishroots.com, and be sure to listen to our other two broadcast series that we have here at the cafe, and one of those is on the history of the Irish in America, and the other is on Irish families, genealogies, and history worldwide. Going on for 4 years now, this marks the first time the festival has ever been recorded. And you might want to know what the categories are so you know what might be proper for you to send in here. Now, what you decide to submit could be 1,000 years old. That's just fine. Our categories for submission are Songs of the Irish Worldwide, Storytelling, Poetic Recitation, The History of the Irish Worldwide, and Solo Instrumentation. Now, I well know it wouldn't do to call for volunteers without kicking things off myself. So we're having the Grand Master from last year, a very learned man, Mr. Peter Riley Adams, come in for several episodes to kick this whole thing off. We've discovered a bit of forgotten history and song that we're going to uncover for you. At least we're going to attempt to start that process. And we're going to tell you about some of the stories of Irish song in America, in earlier America, and that's intimately tied in with early minstrel shows, theater, vaudeville, and even Tin Pan Alley in the 1800s. What an era that was, folks. I hope we can come away knowing a little bit more than we came in with. And that leaves the door open for you to share anything you'd like, from any country in the world, whether it be a story, a poem, or a song. And history is always welcome. Be sure to make your contribution just as soon as you can. This is the first formal announcement for the Irish Song and Recitation Show. I'd like to thank the crew here for playing the music I put together very quickly last week. That'd include Tommy on the fiddle and squeeze box doing double duty, Joseph on the pipes, the two Bridgets, you'll never guess their names, doing vocals, and Dave on the bodhrán, and all the rest. We'll get to them a little bit later. I hope you will listen in and check out our page on the web as we go along. Our Irish Families broadcast has been rolling out for over a year now, and our History of the Irish in America broadcast has been going for half that long. And now we've got this new show, so it's been a lot of fun. We may alternate shows each week, so subscribe to all three if that suits you. You might consider participating by phone, or if you want to, by sending your recording in on an MP3. We can handle that easy enough. You can do that by mail or send it in on the web. Next week, we'll all meet where the River Shannon flows. That's a wrapper for today, folks. I'm Mick the Bridge at the Irish Roots Cafe. you can contact me at mike@irishroots.com or send your submission or your notes to Box 7575, Kansas City, Missouri 64116. And you can always reach me on the web at www.irishroots.com. Call up and leave me your message or your entry on my phone recording machine at 816-256-3360. Just do it today. And oh yes, any donation to keep this show going is appreciated. And remember, keep the best of your Irish heritage alive today.